came in. You go ahead, bro. You were here first. Yeah, you were here first.
I ain't got my phone. I ain't got my phone. I can't record.
You ain't got to record.
I got to record. I got to record.
Yeah, what's going on?
What's going on, man?
Long time no see.
Man, how you been, man?
Changing the color of my interior to the right color.
Okay, I see you got some different things going on. Did you paint the outside?
The whole truck is painted.
Okay, I was saying it's like a different truck almost.
Yes, it's 329,600 miles on this thing.
Same truck.
Same engine and everything.
Just changed the interior color.
Yeah, I stained the whole interior black. Got that two-tone out of here.
Was it easy to paint it? You just changed it? Oh, you painted it out?
I stained it.
Oh, you stained it, okay.
Well, I took the seats out because they were already black. I did all this.
I need to get together then. I need to find out what I need to do to change mine.
You can go to O'Reilly's and get the vinyl plastic paint. Don't do gloss, do the flat, and it turns out shiny like that on this.
Just like this here?
Yep, you wipe everything down with a degreaser.
Yep.
And it comes out, when you shake it up, it comes out so smooth.
Yeah. So it don't look like no spray paint or nothing like that?
No, it don't. I mean, does mine look like spray?
No. I didn't know if you were just good at paint.
You know? No, I suck at it. And it's not great.
It needs to change the whole get-up, the carpet and everything.
Yeah. No, the carpet's the same, black carpet. It's just a floor mat. I got black on it, so see?
Oh, your carpet was already black?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we did that, and I splattered the doors, the box.
You been working then?
Changed the port. We got one Ruthless 10K, two 1500.4s, and an 800.4. Inside door. All running mid-highs and stuff on the ass end.
This thing right here holding up pretty good?
Yeah. This thing sounds phenomenal.
Okay, so it ain't jumping up and down still?
Huh?
It's still moving up and down?
What, the radio?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I just put a new dash kit in and already broke it like the first 10 minutes. First 10 minutes of playing it this morning, it was broke.
Ain't no way around it. Oh, man.
I said I broke it. I might get it.
As long as it worked.
And you'll watch right during the video. This is my lights for dim on my dash because it turns the knob over here. Base does.
All right, the whole get up, the whole little, the dim. You gotta put some hot glue on that thing. You ain't gonna worry about it.
You heard that? Let's we make you just to make you flinch a little bit.
So many people all around me, yet I feel so alone.
That's 21, and it plays down to 15, and it'll play up to high.
It go that low? No problem.
No issues.
I don't feel much heat coming from back there.
They've been playing since 7 o'clock this morning.
You know how hot they get?
Touch it.
Oh yeah. Don't even have been played.
Yeah. I don't think my amp's like at 89.
That's like a 4-inch coil.
Yes, sir.
Everything's all right right there now.
15 hertz.